How to download Steam on a Windows PC. Open any of your browser and in the search box type Steam. Then click on this first website. Now at the top, click on Install Steam and the download should start automatically. Once done, just double click on the Steam setup to run the installer. Then choose your desired language. Now choose the directory where you want Steam to be installed. Well, I'll go with the default one. And finally, click on Install. After installation, it will ask you for the credentials. So if you already have a Steam account, then type your account name and password and then click on Sign In. But if you don't have a Steam account yet, then click on Create a Free Account. Well, I already have an account, so I'll just type my account name and password. Then they will ask you for the verification code that they have sent you on your email address. Now if you found this video helpful, do like it and subscribe.